everybody, my name is Karen and I am the counselor here at Plexus. Welcome to the workshop on what can you do with a major in agriculture and their related sciences. Now this workshop is geared towards those students who are interested in majoring in something within the agriculture and related sciences. Now with that said, let's go ahead and get started. Now let's start off with the types of majors that you can go into that are related to agriculture. First, we have agronomy. Agronomy is the science of technology that considers large-scale crop cultivation from a holistic perspective. Agronomists understand the genetic, biological, environmental, and economic impact of agriculture processes and work with farmers to maximize their crop yield. So agronomy is more focused towards the business parts of agriculture. Next, we have food science. This one is more into the biology portion of agriculture. This is a scientific field that enables the production of safer and more nutritious food. Food scientists analyze food for presence of fats, proteins, carbohydrates, and water. Food scientists also learn how to process and preserve food and help food producers develop nutritional profiles of their products. So this one, of course, as I mentioned, is more into the biology portion of agriculture and, of course, also focuses a lot in nutrition as well. Next, we have forestry. Forestry is the science of practice and science of managing and caring for forests. Forestry majors work outdoors, often in public parks, studying the soil, plants, and animals that live in forest ecosystems. So this one is more focused on the environmental part of agriculture. And finally, we have horticulture. This is the practice of garden management and cultivation. Horticulturalists grow ornamental plants and flowers as well as fruits and vegetables. Careers in horticulture could take you to a science lab, a golf course, or an arboretum. Now this major is more focused on the plants and the growing of the plants of agriculture. Alright, let's move on to why should you study agriculture. You should study agriculture if, first, you love food, you love learning about different types of food. You have a knack for biology. As an agriculture major or something related to agriculture such as food science, you'll be learning about plant biology, etc. Next, we have you grew up on a farm. If you grew up on a farm, you're probably going to be surrounded by agriculture, and therefore you have an interest into agriculture, and majoring in something within the agriculture is something for you. You're passionate about feeding people. You're passionate about feeding people the right nutritious foods. You hope to become an entrepreneur. Sometimes people want to start their own business. Maybe someone in agriculture wants to start their own business of growing crops and growing plants. So maybe this is something that is for you as well. You care about the animals and the environment. You want to keep a safe and healthy environment for these animals as well. And you are interested in working for agribusiness. That is, you want to work in the business and agriculture itself as well. What can you do with an agriculture degree? There are numerous of things that you can do with this degree. Agriculture is more than just farmer tilling soil. It's a wide field that spans into a number of industries and job types. So that is, there is a number of industries that you can go into with an agriculture degree. The most common careers that you can go into are agriculture/agribusiness industry, education industry, energy industry, food industry, and manufacturing industry. What industry you end up in depends on the specific agriculture degree you earn and your career goals. I did mention a few majors that you can go into that are related to agriculture, and of course you may want to explore more about those majors. You can explore more about them on our Plexus majors page as well. Alright, we have reached the end of this workshop. Thank you everybody for sticking around. Before I leave, I would like to let you all know to please download our Plexus app on the App Store or Google Play. If you download our app, you'll be able to receive instant notifications. We also very much appreciate it if you leave us a rating and a review on the App Store or Google Play as well. We very much appreciate all the feedback you all can give us. Tell my counselor if you have any questions regarding this workshop, or if you'd like to reach out about your journey to higher education. We're always happy to help and answer all of those questions as well. And finally, check out our Plexus YouTube page for more college readiness workshops. Our Plexus YouTube page is called Plexus Social Media. Thank you everybody again, and I will see you all in the next workshop. Bye.